course. Gian, I was in Ohio before I met you. I risked too much, but that's I met you. But I'm gonna shake. Gian, tell your friend it was nice to reach them, but I hope I never ask again. I know break your final text with no high, I'm still not Sigma. 4 years no living, I know looking prettier. It's the last question, no, can't rest. No, can't move. So baby, crawl me closer in the basket, be the toilet that I know you cannot find. Take my pocket on my shoulder, put your gather right the corner from the phantom you just stuck from the ruly back on Ohio. We they were not that restless. Last season I gave you my gun, but the very next day you give me Victor. This year, no living Nusa, we will play an Irangle. One match with my bro, we will fight against that enemy. Tell me, my bro, where is Carlo? Well, he is in Nusa, but the place is loving. It was like a gay place, and Anna also would like to play with him, cause he handsome, but not like Victor, because Victor camper. So he killed Victor Chala because he like Anna. The end.